right, Jesse, what you got? You want to do it?
No, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, you do it. This one's yours.
Oh boy.
This one's yours.
What's in the box?
So what's in the box, Jesse?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. All the goodies.
Yep.
Nice.
And I think this is the
There's some other goodies under there too.
lights.
All kinds of goodies under there. Look at this.
Oh,
Oh. New shirt out of the deal.
thanks, Zach.
Wait, let me see the shirt.
Got a little 3 on it.
The user manual. And
You want to do the honors?
sure, we got power around here.
Yeah, right here. The power button on the front.
Ooh.
USBs for sticks, loading, saving. Is that
Remote.
Yeah, that's a remote for.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Well, it boots up. That's a good thing.
Yes.
This is a MA3 light, and I don't know anything about it, but he sure does.
Yeah, it's MA Lighting's newest console, and it is it's the flagship console, I would say, for smaller venues and smallish tours to have. There is the full size, that is another huge price with a whole nother wing, but this is perfect for what we do, and it is great for everyone that comes through.
Yeah, I would say this is probably the most in-demand rental item as the lighting consoles go, and certainly the most in-demand rental item from MA as their product offering is concerned, and it is the second largest of the boards that they manufacture.
Yeah.
How many parameters does this board have?
This has 8,192 parameters, which is different than the amount of universes we can get. We could spread the 8,000 plus parameters throughout infinite numbers of universes, unlike other boards where we're limited to, like, let's say 3 or 4 universes.
Right, they have a fixed universe count.
Yes, this has an unlimited range, and we
Got
can
it.
send that out through DMX, ArtNet, SACN, and any other way we need.
That's pretty flexible. I like
Yeah.
this. This is exciting. Mode 3. Oh, because you can put it in mode 2.
Yeah,
Yeah, nice.
What's the difference?
different softwares.
Yeah, mode 3 is the new stuff. It's not, some people would say it's not totally show ready, but the 3 is compatible with mode 2, which is, you know, very show ready.
Yeah, big selling points. Yeah,
This is it. I'm looking at the board. I agree.
I agree.
Hooray! It's gorgeous.
It is.
Very nice looking board. I'm thrilled at how small it is.
Yeah. Little to no glare on any of the screens.
Yeah, I'm actually shocked at that, which is going to be great in the daylight in the summertime at festivals.
Yeah.
Because glare is like the bane of our existence.
You can also delete that and put, I want my groups.
Oh, fun. Okay.
So it's like having a little iPad in there too.
Yeah.
And I can go back to the trackpad.
Yes, so if you click, there's already built in one scene. You just click trackpad 6.
Oh, now it's a mouse. That's neat. The little things. Do the faders move? Are they motorized?
Yes, they're all motorized.
Oh, wow. You touch them and they light up?
Yeah.
Trip. Oh, look at that. If you change layers, do they shuttle? Oh, yeah. Boop. And then you can save, hit save, and then it goes through a shutdown sequence. Oh, that's lovely. What a great little shutdown protocol.